Today, let us dive underwater and learn addition of two three-digit numbers with regrouping, tens to hundreds and tens. See the seahorses. They are so beautiful and colorful. There are 264 purple seahorses and 165 orange seahorses. Let us see how many seahorses are there in all. Let us group them into hundreds, tens, and ones and then add them. So, there are 2 hundreds, 6 tens, and 4 ones purple seahorses, and 106 tens and 5 ones orange seahorses.
Hello children, how are you all? I hope that you all were enjoyed the world underwater. Means that you all were like the video, right? Of addition of three-digit numbers with the help of story, right? Seahorses, number of seahorses and number of small turtles and big turtles, right children? So children, you all see how to add three-digit numbers with the help of story, right? So children, now today I teach you questions from the book. Okay, some questions. So firstly, tell me children, what is the date today? Today's date is, what is the date today? Today's date is 16, right? 16, year is 7, month is 7 and year is 2020. Children, which subject I teach you? I teach you maths. M-A-T-H-S, maths. Children, through the video you already know that what is the topic today. Which topic I am going to teach you? I am going to teach you word problems. Now children, open your book. Let's we take some questions from the book. Okay, now children, you all have to enjoy the world of book, means the questions from the book. Okay, now children, now firstly tell me that what is the meaning of novel? Means N-O-V-E-L, novel. Hope you all know. Anyone? No. Okay, I am telling you. Novel means the book that tells us about the lifestyle of any person or a people, right? Or and any events like Independence Day, like somewhat etc. Right? So children, that book is called the novel book, or in simple language we say story book. Okay. Now let's. I hope that I think that you all were thinking why I am asking what is the meaning of novel. Because if you open the book and read question number 2, and in question number 2 it is written novel, right? The word novel is. Now children, let's open the book, page number 51 and exercise 3.7. Okay, as you all see examples, two examples of in the video also already saw, but in this book let's read. Suraj read 176 pages, question number 2 of a novel in 1 week. Means that I read question number 2, okay, and 138 pages in another week. How many pages he read in all? Means that children, there is a boy whose name is Suraj. Okay, he read novel, okay, Firstly, in 1 week he read 176, means 176 pages, and in another week he read 138 pages, right? And the last question is asking how many pages he read in all. Okay, how many pages he read in all means, in all how many pages, in all means that कितने पेजेस, कितने सारे पेजेस उसने पढ़ लिए हैं. The question is asking. Okay, is this question is asking. So children, firstly, just keep in your mind that if question is asking how many in all, if the question is asking, that means you have to add. Okay, now firstly children, take out your books, open your notebook and write question 2. Okay, so in this write question number 2. Firstly, put the topic exercise 3.7, right? So children, in 3.7 question number 2, what is written? Suraj, S-U-R-A-J, Suraj read 176 pages of a novel in 1 week and 138 pages in another week. Then how many pages he read in all. Okay, question mark. Now children, we have to make, firstly we have in this like that I write the statement in 2 digits of word problem. So in that also I write the statement. So please see very carefully. Okay, listen very carefully also. Is that pages read in 1 week, first statement, pages, solution, pages, read in 1 week. Okay, now pages read in another week. Now children, read in another week. Now children, let's we make a column. Okay, here here we have to make a column. Okay, this is the, here is ones, tens and hundreds. This column is the carrying number. 1, this is 2, okay, and now now children, how many pages read in 1 week? Pages read in 1 week means 1 week 176, novel in 1 week. How many? 176. So 176 means 176. Now pages in another week, 138 in another week. So 138 in another week. Now children, another week. Now children, here this sign we have to make, this plus sign. So now we have to add one. Okay, firstly we have to add ones column. See, 6 and 8. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, put a finger over here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 means 2 column. Here is 14. Okay, 14 means 1 is tens column and plus 1 and 4 is ones. Okay, so this 4 is I kept over this in ones column, and this 1 is where I have to keep. I have to keep it in this as a carrying number because this is tens place. So this. Now the next step is, what is the next step? That we have to add tens column also. Okay, then 7 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this 7 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, put a finger over here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and plus 1 is 11. Here again 2 digit number 11. But children, this 11 is from the tens column, and this tens column means that 11 we call it 11 tens. Okay. So children, see very carefully, 11 tens because it is the sum of tens column. This tens column makes, how it make, when I expand this 1 is from hundreds place, hundred, hundreds place, and 1 is from tens place. So that's why this one I kept in this tens column, and this one I kept, where I kept, I have to keep it in hundreds column because this is hundreds. Okay, so that's why. Now the fourth step is that hundreds column we have to add. Okay, 1 means 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 carrying number 3. So what is the sum? 314. So children, we have to, the last statement is that how to total number NUMB, total number of pages, of pages Suraj read is how many? 314 pages. Okay, this is question number 2. Students, see how I write the question, this statement and this column. Okay, so please write it very clearly so that you also can read and I also can read. Okay, now children, this statement is simple and these steps are same as I taught you in addition inverse problem of 2-digit numbers. Okay, now children, let's see question number what? Question number 6. Okay, write down, open your page, read question number 7. Now children, turn your page, see question number 7 is that our school bought 176 computers for the computer lab and 149 computers for science lab and 53 computers for maths lab. How many computers were bought by the school? Means that there are 3 labs, means computer lab, science lab and maths lab. In lab, schools were bought computers. Okay, now let's write the question number 6. So children, let's read. One, our school bought, question number 6. A school bought one 76 computers for the computer lab, 149 computers for science lab and 53 computers for maths lab. Then how many computers were bought by the school? The school, full stop. Okay, now children, here you all understood what is question is asking? Question is asking how many computers total school is bought. Okay, school were bought. Now let's see the solution. First solution is computers for computer lab, computers for computer lab. Now computers for science lab. Then third, computers for maths lab. Okay children, now let's make a column over here. Ones, tens, and here is 100. Now this is the computer maths lab, science lab and computer lab. Okay. Now children, here is the sum. Now computers for computer lab 176. Sorry. Tens and 100 columns, and this one okay. Now 176, then computers for science lab 149, for science lab 149, maths lab 53. Okay children, now let's I make one column extra over here for the sign. Now let's we add 6 plus 9 plus 3. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 and plus 3 in the another hand. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 18, and 8 is in this column, in the ones column, and 1 is over the tens column as a carrying number. Right? Now let's we add the tens column. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in another hand. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. 16. 16 means 1 is carry over the 100. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Now the last statement is total number of computers were bought by the school is 368. Okay. What by the school is 368. 368 is the answer. Now children, this is the step that you all have to write. Okay. Now children, today's homework is you all have to do firstly exercise 3.7. 1, 2 and 3 you have to do in the book itself, but from question number 4 to question number 10 you have to do in the notebooks. Okay. Thank you children. Thank you and have a nice day.
We will directly add the numbers 264 and 165. let us look at the process of addition of these numbers. Step 1. Write the numbers in the hundreds, tens and ones columns. Step 2. Add the digits in the ones column. That is, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Step 3. Add the tens. That is, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Regroup the 12 tens. That is, 12 tens is equal to 102 tens. Carry the 100 to the hundreds column and write 2 in the tens column. Step 4. Add the hundreds, that is 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. So, we got the answer as 429. 264 plus 165 is equal to 429. Thus, there are 429 seahorses in all. Can you see some big and small turtles? There are 135 big turtles and 293 small turtles. Let us see how many turtles are there in all. Here we have to add 135 and 293 to find out the total number of turtles. Add the ones, that is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now add the tens, that is 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. Carry 100 to the hundreds column and write 2 in the tens column. Now add the hundreds, that is 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. Thus, 135 and 293 is equal to 428. There are 428 turtles in all. Amazing, isn't it? Hope you enjoyed the beautiful world under the water.